Hey guys, it is Jeff the Maintenance Man, and if you do not know this, I want to start a hangout kind of session, but it's kind of like a hangout, but it's not like video hangout. But still, we don't need the damn video, do we? My 2 train units are running. Here's my grills and stuff like that. Little tiny train units, tiny little train units. 4th of July was a blast. Thank you for asking. Anyway, guys, Wednesdays at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's Florida time if you didn't know, I want to invite everybody to come and join me in my Discord server. I will be there. We'll talk, we'll have a blast. You get to ask me questions, get to interact with other people. It really doesn't matter what y'all doing there. Y'all can cut up and just have a fuss or whatever. Just all I ask is, you know, no racism and stuff like that, obviously. And y'all come out, enjoy, and sit down, talk about your day, talk about what you didn't like about your day, or what you did like about your day, what you like about my videos, what you don't like about my videos. Tell me I'm a piece of crap. It's up to you. So come out and hang out, and this X marks the spot. This is my painting shirt, obviously. Guys, I look forward to seeing you there Wednesday nights, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll see you there. Until next time, you guys stay safe.